Hi everybody, back after a very long time. We're having a look at the Anytone Hera. What you see here is a very small radio. Very cold currently, but it's a very small looking radio. I can show you the options, or some of them at least. Remember, it's not ready yet for sale, so there are some things missing or not working. So we have EU, India, Germany, Italy, Poland, UK, CE, and EU. You just press the F, off and on, and where we are, we're in EU. Radio is not a push button here, it's a solid, and it works on menu driven. Press and hold the F. Annoying keypad pad bleep. Mic gain. Squelch for the ASQ. Scan. High cut. Talk back on and off. Noise blanker. RF gain on or off. Roger bleep 5 available. Colors. We have blue, cyan, yellow, purple, white, red, green, blue. So you see, let's go through. Takes the standard RJ45. We can free it of it. There you go. So we'll leave it out for the time being. But you need everything ultimately to get it going on the radio. Few options currently. It does, you can use it for multi-norm. You can have it 10 meters, 28.0, 29.7, and also in unlocked mode, which is 24 to 30 megahertz. Not keen on that purely because I don't think it's needed on AM FM, but that's another story and something, another fight. Mode selector, AM FM, pretty obvious what it is. Scan, squelch, sorry, you can set it to off, or leave it maybe 7. Everything is controlled by the mic. There's just sadly nobody on, not even locally at the moment. As you see, very very small, die cast, like a big Anytone Smart or a big AE6110, shall we say. There's the speaker. So this is currently in the version of a prototype. As you see by sticker, it's Anytone Hera and serial number 3. Don't ask me who will buy it in the EU, because I don't know who's going to sign up to take it on. I have no ideas. It's not ready at the moment. Engineers still working on some updates and upgrades already, so it'll be some months before you see it. But you can see it. Try the high cut. F on. This one actually left Hong Kong yesterday. Yesterday lunchtime, Hong Kong time, to Germany. Arrived Sunday afternoon, and here we have it today, Monday morning. It came with DHL, so pretty quick, overnight. It's very small still. We'll put the dimensions on the blog, simonthewizard.com. See, it's pretty small. No bracket currently or anything like that because it's not produced. This is just to have a sniff around at. A little bit bigger than the other radios, AE6110 and Anytone Smart CRT1, any of those ilk. It's slightly bigger, which is a great thing for those of us either with fat fingers or needing a bigger display, it's perfect because it shows frequency mode. I'm not sure if it does alpha channels and export. In export, I really don't know. I'm also, I know it does I think it does zeros. I think it's 0 and 5, I'm not sure. I have some information that I have to go and have a read. So, just wanted you to see. So this is what the new minis, or the new micros, or whatever will be like. Pretty small to fit anywhere, I would say, if it keeps its current form. And not bad at all. It just needs the voices, which aren't on, unfortunately. We'll see what goes. For those that are interested, I can tell you that it can do 4 watts and 8 watts in 10 meter mode, in an export mode. On AM it's 4 and 8, and on FM I think it's 3 settings. I think it's 4, 8 and 15. I'm not sure completely, but I think it's 4, 8 and 15 is the plan. So there you go, that's it. That's the Hera from Anytone. You should see a bit more of it when we hook it up later on. Hopefully get some signals, and it will be in a dealer sometime later in the year. If any of the companies that usually buy radios, if they buy them, then you'll see it rebranded. So cheers for now, and that's the Hera.